बचपन से ही उसको शौक था गाड़ी का.
I said, well, you have nice headlights, huh? So I think he fell in love with me from that time on. It's because I fell in love with his car.
I never thought that this could be rebuilt. I'm going to repair this, come what may.
You know what? You've got the power of all the horses under you. You don't need to change gears. Just put your foot down and you'll go for it.
I'm driving a car that is basically the same age as me. Old cars just put a smile on people's faces.
Why do they always want to possess something which is vintage, something which is heritage, something which is old? Because they want to relate in some way to the past.
LD ही आमची फॅमिलीतली पहिलं व्हेकल आहे, त्याच्यामुळे एक आनंद आहे.
Since I've seen mummy driving up and down, since she has taught me how to drive, she's taught me tricks. Slowly and steadily you can see that passion is creeping in. The bloodline is finally being passed.